Hello everyone. Today we are going to read the chapter Solids, Liquids and Gases. So the first question is, what is matter? So all things, whether it is living or non-living, are made up of matter. Matter is something that occupies space and has weight. Matter is made up of small particles called atoms and molecules. So now we know matter is made up of atoms and molecules, and they are very small particles. Now, what are atoms? Atoms are building blocks of all matter. They are very small in size and cannot be seen with naked eyes. And each and everything on this universe is made up of atoms. Next is, what is molecules? As we know, atoms are very small, and when those two or more atoms combine together, then they form a molecule. So, a molecule can be made up of same kind of atoms, or the atoms can be different. So, those same or different kinds of atoms just combine together to form a molecule. Matter exists in three states. They are solid, liquid, and gas. And these are also called the physical state of matter. Let's read the property of solid first. So in solid, particles are tightly packed. That's why they have very little space to move around. And that's why they are hard. It has its own shape. And the shape does not change unless it is acted upon by some force. As in case of solid, you can see the atoms are tightly packed. They are very close to each other. Here are some examples of solids. Next is liquid. So the particles in liquid are loosely packed as compared to solids. And this provides space for the particles to move around. So a liquid is a substance that does not have any fixed shape but have a fixed volume. And it takes the shape of the container in which it is poured, just because the liquid particles are loosely packed. So here are some examples of liquid. Next is gas. So in gas, the particles are very loosely arranged. And such particles are far apart from each other and can occupy the entire space of the container in which it is kept. Means it can flow in any direction. So a gas is a substance that has no definite shape or volume. So here are some examples of gases. Do you know what is intermolecular space? So it is the space between the two molecules or atoms. As in this picture, you can see there is very less empty space between the solid particles. But in liquid, the space is quite more than solid. But in gas, there are maximum space between the particles. Next is changes in the state of matter. As we know, water is found in all the three states. That is solid in ice form, liquid in water form, and gas in vapor form. So when water changes its form, the molecules remains the same, but the space between the molecules change. Now let's read about physical change and chemical change. So when a physical property of a substance changes, then we call it physical change. And in this case, no new substance is formed. And such changes are usually reversible. Reversible means the change can return to its original form again. So here are some examples of physical change. Next is chemical change. So in chemical change, a new substance is formed and it is irreversible. Here are some examples of chemical change.